I talk about, I'm not going to say that this is right or wrong, but what I did personally, I actually I separated my two lives.
Mm.
And I built a trans life to start with. So I met lots of other trans people, built some long-term friendships, and they're really important to me now. I've not disconnected from them people. But then that wasn't enough. So then I stepped forward and when I went back to college, the reality was I didn't just go to learn and train as a counsellor. I wanted to expand my world and bring other people into it who didn't know me or had no expectations of me as a person at the roles I played in their life. So going to college meant I could meet new people. So how do I go out and make friends? You can go and join clubs. I think the fear, the internalized shame or the internalized transphobia, as we may call it, is telling us you can't join the WI because they won't want you, that you won't be welcome. When actually I've got friends that have gone out and joined the WI and have been more than welcome. And, before you know it, they're making pots of jam and going on history tours or, being involved and have made new friends. So that we shouldn't be afraid to go out into the world and explore places. We've got to fight them demons that are telling us we're going to be rejected.